boys and girls. We are going to read a new story today called Hop Can Hop. Now, looking at the cover of the story right here and knowing the title, Hop Can Hop, who do you think Hop is? Mrs. G thinks he might be the bunny. Let's read and find out. You can read along with me if you want to. I am Dot. Excuse me. I like hop. I am hot. See my hat on top? And what is this yellow word? It's our sight word of the week, my. So let's read this page again. I am hot. See my hat on top. Hop is hot. Hop can hop on top. Hop can hop, hop, hop. I can hop, hop, hop. I can sit. Hop can sit. Pop and I can sip. Hop can sip. And that is our story for today. We are talking about sight words with this story. There are a lot of sight words that we've already had in here and on a lot of the pages. So we are going to read it one more time and you guys can read through with me if you'd like. All right, let's start. Hop can hop. I am Dot. I like hop. I am hot. See my hat on top? Hop is hot. Hop can hop on top. Hop can hop, hop, hop. I can hop, hop, hop. I can sit. Hop can sit. Pop and I can sip. Hop can sip. All right, boys and girls, so for word study this week, we are talking about the letter H. H like hippo, or let's say the names of each picture. Hat, hammer, hay, hen, horse, helicopter. Let's look at the words down here and read each word. Hop. Read it one more time. Hop. Ham. One more time. Ham. Hip. Hip. Hot. Hot. Hid. Hid. And last, him. Him. All right, boys and girls, and our sight word this week was my. Let's read the sentence. Do you like my hat? One more time, read it with me. Do you like my hat? It is hot in my garden. It is hot in my garden. All right, boys and girls, you have practice pages for today, and that one of them you are going to be talking about the characters, the setting, and the events again, the plot of the story. You could use a favorite story from home for this page, or you can use the Hop Can Hop story. All right, boys and girls, I can't wait to see what story you choose. Have a great day.